Hi, I'm Fritzi Gros-Daillon, and this afternoon we're discussing designing for what's next. So there are 4 basic design categories: adaptable, accessible, visitable, and universal. Adaptable design means that the features can in fact be adapted for another purpose, or when we are putting them in, we know they are adaptable for another purpose. For example, if you want to have a vanity look in your bathroom, but you put in a pedestal sink, you can have a vanity designed that will in fact fit in front of the pedestal sink, give you the look of a sink in a vanity, but the cabinet can come out if someone has to use a walker or there's a change in their mobility status and you didn't want to have that cabinet in front of the sink, so you don't have to replace the sink again. So that's one example of an adaptable design. The second category is accessible design. Accessible design is related a lot to what we think about on the commercial side with ADA. So the ability of someone who has a mobility challenge to get in and out of a space that is accessible. So a zero threshold, so somebody can just come right into a house, is an example of an accessible design. Also roll-in showers, the new showers with the pretty drains, good. Visitable design came into play in, I think, 1986, and it has 4 very specific guidelines. So 32-inch wide doorways, 0 thresholds, but visitable is related to the ability of a person with a challenge to get and be part of living on a ground floor only. So there has to be access to a ground floor bathroom and access throughout the house on the ground floor. That's the third design. And then the last one is universal design. Universal design is an approach to the building environment to accommodate a wide range of human performance. Okay, so human performance is no matter how old you are or how young you are, no matter how tall you are or how short you are, no matter how thin you are or wide you are, whether you are able to walk on 1 foot, 2 feet, you're not able to walk at all, the design components will allow you to use the space with ease and safety. A universal design kitchen will have different countertop heights. It can be on an island where you've got some prep space as well. Kitchens are very complicated spaces because you are cooking, storing, preparing. You have to think about all of the activities that are going on in that space. Another common feature now where you have the pull-outs so that you have access to your cupboards. Inside cupboards now you can get features where the shelves pull down. You can pull a handle and the shelf comes down. There are new cupboards that have elevators inside. So the little shelves are on elevators and you push a button and the shelves just move down to the countertop as well. Appliances with double doors. So you can get microwaves with French doors, or an oven that will open on the side so you're not leaning over a hot surface. In a bathroom, safety bars around the toilet and the shower, offset water control so you're not drenched while you're trying to set it. Lighting is very important. As we age, we need more light. While we're younger, the good idea is to put in as much light as possible and then put it on a dimmer. Also, as we're thinking about the scope of our project on the exterior, where is the trash? Where is the recycling? What is the pathway for that? Do we have access to our mailbox? What is the access from our driveway or from the garage into the house? Are there other kinds of considerations as related to outdoor lighting? Are we going to have a barbecue, a new fire pit? We're still going to need lighting, and make sure that the surfacing that we put is smooth enough that we don't create our own tripping hazards trying to just get to our fire pit outside.
Thank you for watching Designing for What's Next, brought to you by Collom Construction. I'm Braulio. Come check us out, www.collomconstruction.com.